Stay safe online with essential cybersecurity tips and tricks. Protect your digital life by following these simple guidelines. Create unique passwords using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password across different accounts to enhance your security. Add an extra layer of security by enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, on all major accounts. This makes it harder for hackers to access your information. Do not click on suspicious links in emails or messages. Always verify the sender's identity before sharing any personal information to avoid phishing scams. Regularly update your software, apps, and devices. Updates often include security patches that fix vulnerabilities, keeping your system secure. Avoid doing sensitive transactions on public Wi-Fi. If you must use it, connect through a virtual private network or VPN to secure your data. Be mindful of what you share on social media and websites. Hackers can use your information for identity theft, so share cautiously. Store backups of important files on an external drive or secure cloud service. This protects you from data loss in case of malware attacks.